Hello guys, welcome back to Jam's channel. So today we are going to play Roblox. So now I am going to play the Muscle Legends. So let us do. Little bit of time it is taking. Yes. Now guys, we are a nice beast. I was gaining the strength in the off camera, so I can't record. Now here na it's a see in the wet. Yeah, leave it. So here is the game that like I have to now do the treadmill because I am now a beast. So I will tell you the evolution, what happens. So first we get to be a rookie, and it's like you are a stick. Rookie, that after a lifter means a normal person. After a lifter, it's maybe huge. It is then lifter. After lifter, it is huge. After huge, it is tank. After tank, it is beast. So now I'm a nice beast. So nice stats is I have a strength 3k, and my good karmas are 7 and evil karmas are 10. So and I will explain you about the evil and the good karmas. So this so my 600 and this is 600. Now I'm going into this. 5 agility. This is OP. Now I have to gain the 1k agility to unlock this. Wait, I will tell you. No. These, these small guys, they do rebirths to. Ouch! Run! Array, why am not running? I'm just lagging over here. These smalls. This you can see the small one. They do rebirths. That's why they are stronger than us. And they kill everyone just in one hit. See. Just see them. Just killed in one hit. Oh shit. Who the heck is this man? Oh shit. So guys, when we just spawn, they just kill us. So I will go. I was telling that where the array. Let me go now, please. This is killing me too much. Ouch! I'm jumping and going. I was telling that I need to gain agility to unlock this treadmill. I will show you. So after 2.5k we can enter this. Before 2.5k we cannot enter. So we can enter over here. So now we will show you to how. Ready to collect? Oh, I got 1k gems. Oh my god, 2k gems I got. So leave it. I will get. I was telling that to unlock these. Can you see 1k agility treadmill? So we need 1k agility. So wait, are these unlocked? Yes, can you see this over here? I can go from here only. Shortcuts. Ouch.
Take care of yourself. And how is your family member?
Now it's okay. Now I can go to this. This was a 600. This was a 600 treadmill. So now I'm at 632. I should gain my strength because I want to be. So guys, tell me in the comments after beast what comes. Got like 1k gems collect in 5 hours. Oh my god. Now I will do the boulder throw. Now what is this boulder? 7.5k. Oh my god. Oh my washandai. So I will do this boulder throw. I got 7k. Arey, bright side, I know I will watch you later. So now I get 50. Now my 3.3k. I should collect. Ouch! I told you these guys do rebirths and be small, and just kill us. And they're too much smaller, that's why we cannot punch them. Or maybe our gets punched when we click this one and bend, sometimes they get punched or sometimes not. Oh, see, this is ouch. See guys, just see. He was this and here is the I was explaining what is the evil and the good karmas. So the evil karmas are the guy who are evil, the guys who are evil. So they get evil when they get evil karmas. The more they get evil karmas, and the evil karma is a very bad curse. When you get more evil karmas, you get one day you will get small. It's a curse like that. So we are now gaining strength. Now what is our stats my are stats: agility 632, height 12 meter, buffness out. Someone is there. Run, someone is there. Ouch. I should go to the legend beach first. This is guard monster, so this is cool. Or some are dark, that is guard. So the ouch. The heck you. This is a guard monster. So I will go to the legend beach, and I will do the that push-ups. This one. Reddit group rewards, ready to collect. How much? Okay, I don't need, thank you, bye. I don't need, so I can open one. So I have 2K crystals. I get a red kitty basic. Oh cool. Then I get one more hedgehog. Okay, I will trade this hedgehog. It's not cool at all. So wait, let me stats and items, pets, equip and equip. Now we have equipped these. Now guys, tell me in the comments how to upgrade these pets, because they are level 1 and I don't know how to upgrade this. Okay. When we get agility, they also get agility. Oh. So, okay, I will tell something another. So, tell me in the comments that which game I will play. So, you can tell me in the comments. But don't give me the laptop games. Only except the Minecraft. So, except Minecraft, I cannot play other laptop games. So, in the mobile Android games, you can tell me. So, I can play that. Should I do strength? They will get strength also. What? Wait, let me do the squat rack. How to press this button? This button is smaller than me. Should I get? I guess, please. Yes. Now they will be level 2. I think so. I don't know. They should be level 2. This orange hedgehog, maybe. I will trade the orange hedgehog. I don't want the orange hedgehog. And guys, tell me in the comments, what does this pets do for? I don't have any idea. I just kept them. Just tell me what this pets just do. Now what is my stats? Lifting aura unleashed. Guys, this small, so you can see this small one. They are very, very bad. Ouch. This guy is this guy is too much big and I'm too much small. I should go to the legendary beach so everyone cannot come. See. You know, guys, because of this lag, they just kill us. Because of the lag, they can run fast. See, this one. Can you see the rainbow one? Just go on. I just hate them. But sometimes this fast happens when they have 100k agility or like that. When they have agility, so I will do a fortune. So I will do a fortune, not a agility. I don't need the agility, yaar. It's very bad. I don't like it. Where, huh? Oh yes, they are there. Oh my god, 200 agility. Wait, let me check my stats. Wait, 92. Then I'm faster a little bit. And this orange hedgehog and the red kitty, these are level 2. Yes, finally. Now we'll do this. Oh, in the legendary beach. Sorry, this is not legendary beach. Sorry, this is legendary beach. I will go do on the squat track or something. Leave it. I will do this on the bench press. What? 5k durability. How to get durability? I should do the pull-ups after this. Wait. 4k. I knew it. These not just rage of them. Wait. Let me do the squat track. I think it needs more. I don't know. Kya? Green crystal. Oh, 3k. Bhai. It's too much. 10k. What? 15k? Oh my. And how much agility do this need? No, thank you. How much agility? What the hell? 2k agility. And this may be 1k. Both are 2k. Okay, leave it. I should gain the strength. Where is the heck? Yes, do this. Durability. Oh, finally. How much that durability needs? 5k durability to go to get the golden rock. Wait, what is our durability? Oh, only 640. Bruh, it's so. Oh my god, this gives us too much strength. 24. 21. This is the OP. 9 plus durability and 22 plus strength. They got 21 XPs. Our orange hedgehog. What am I telling? Should I trade? I should trade. Wait, what? Lifting Aurora Unleashed. Okay, leave it. I should trade something. Trade James Noob. Pending. Arey, why did? Oh, sorry. I will do it to the Wambak. No, thank you. 23 plus strength. This is OP. 23. This is OP. I will go to 4k. In this video, I will go to 4k, guys. I will go to 4k. And they're still level 2. Ugh. The last agility drink shake I got, it was not too much bad, but they just gained level 2. Now I'm going to the 365. Why the guys not trading with me? Pending there. Accept. Yes. I just yes. Orange hedgehog. Do you want to trade? Okay. Oh, this got level 3. I'm not trading. I just want to trade. Okay, I want to trade this. Then what you want to trade with me, bro? Buy. No, trade is stand. Okay, don't trade with me. I was offering you a good. Okay, guys, this is not a good pet. This is not a good pet, guys. An orange hedgehog is not a good at all, and they don't look so much stylish. But red kitty is okay with me, and they just reached level 3 when I was trading. Because they just reached level 3 because I was tapping on the background. So I was also gaining the strength. Guys, tell me in the comments after beast what comes. So I'm going to the 4K now. 390. What is after 390, guys? 393. So guys, this bench press is giving us OP strengths. OP. But after 2K we can enter this legend beach. New move unlocked. What? You can unlock sit-ups from your toolbar menu moves. Wait, why am I clicking this? I want to click sit-ups equip. What the hell? How much strength did I get from the sit-ups? Oh, 13th. Oh, it's not cool. Oh, guys, I got... Wait, how to I have to go to the... So guys, that is it for today. So I think I could unlock this golden rock after many times. So guys, tell me in the comments after beast what comes. So tell me. Why am I clicking this? Snash, I will... So this is it for today, guys. I will continue in the next episode. I may be doing a brawl. So I should do a brawl after 6K. So that is it for today, guys.